Good morning. Good afternoon. My voice is so deep today. But I lied. I'm gonna make another pair of gloves. But I've woken up with a renewed sense of hope. We'll see how that goes throughout the day. Voice so deep that this morning, voice so deep, I could hit those Beyonce Halo notes. But I wanted to do a two-tone glove today, so I guess I'm gonna try that with this pattern. We'll see how that works. I don't know which one I want to be dominant. I'm starting this and I take a video to tell myself when I'm starting. So something happened, a situation, error. This is the editing software that I use. It's called CapCut. It's right there. Basically, everything that you make is saved right here at the editing screen right here. You have the ability to make an account. You have an inbox. You have tutorials. There are several tutorials, but if you want to follow along, there's also a creator account that you can apply for that they pay you to make templates, and these are templates. So let me click this one. This looks funny.
Hey, soldier boy, can I go? Yo, Arab, I really
These are like the templates you can make. Basically what you do to use it is click the video you have that you're working on and preview and see how that looks. It eventually loads. When you select individual clips, you have the option to edit and either replace or crop. So I'm going to teach you how to crop and replace a video. Cropping the video is just you moving the video to the left or the right of the timestamp, and you can also move the video and zoom in and out within the frame that they give you to use. So you basically just use your hand to drag the bottom video into the timestamp. To replace a video, you just click the replace button, and then you select from your videos the video that you would like to replace it with. It gives you a loading screen, and then it will eventually open up to the video and allow you to preview the changes. Okay, let's see what it looks like 5 years later. Can I add another video? Okay, so I feel like that song should have ended differently, or at least allowed me to add one more half a second or a second and a half of video, but it did not. But I'm going to show you guys how to export and view your video. So all you do is you go to the top right corner, that hit that export button, and then the video will export into your device. For iPhone, it says save to device or share, and for Android, it just says to save. And then you have the little preview screen. .25, and I finished kind of earlier than I usually do. The final short, I guess. I don't even know if I'm going to use the short. I don't know if I liked it that much, but you look at the seams. It seems like everything is together, and then you turn it over. The seam is unavoidable with this pattern. So let me show you guys what and how many I've made so far, since we're on day 8 and 7 passed. So let me show you guys how many I've made so far. All right, so this is 8. These are day 7. This is from day 6. Let me just show you all of the gloves I've made. Alright, so we got these 2 in black without the ribbons. I showed those before. And then we have the little teeny weeny baby ones that I know who exactly who's getting those. My niece. And then we have the short ones. So I'm gonna put the short ones together. Where are the other yellow ones? Oh, I didn't make a second one. No, wait. Yeah, no. Okay, so these are the ones. These are the ones, I made these on day 1. When I tried to export the pattern for these, that just, destroyed my soul. No, I'm just kidding. But I was very distraught about this not working out. Deleting all of my editing work for this pattern because it won't export. I spent weeks on this. All gone, and that's what's going on with me today. All the fails. So, it is what it is, but these are the ones I made on day 1. So I made these day 1, and then on day 2 I didn't make anything, and I don't think I made anything on day 3 either. I was trying to figure out my Etsy day 2 and day 3. And then this is partial of one that I didn't sew or seam together. So this glove is complete. It just needs to be sewed together. So I'll put that aside. But yeah. So I made these on day 1. But so far I have, let's see, in order. 1, I made these first. 1, how do I make this nice? So, remove that. So these are the big guys. Alright, so we have these. Put these down here. These are the short gloves. It's very Easter-esque. I still have to sew the ends in. I didn't throw these on my Etsy because I'm not too sure about if I like them. Okay, these are the ones I made today. I love them. So these guys, and I made these as a sample after I made those guys. So I'm loving these too. Like the blues are really amazing. And then we have these black ones. All right, and these, here we are, Bye, see you in the next one.